In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Snapchat business account with your Shopify store so that you can optimize ad delivery and maximize your advertising efforts. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that you can integrate these platforms effortlessly. First, let's start by navigating to the Snapchat Business Manager. This is the hub where all your Snapchat business activities take place. Once there, your goal is to find the option to connect platforms to optimize ad delivery. This step is crucial as it opens the door to improving how Snapchat ads interact with your Shopify store, providing a streamlined experience for managing your campaigns. Next, locate and select the Shopify integration. Selecting Shopify will initiate the process of connecting these two powerful platforms. At this point, let's shift our focus to the Shopify dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on the Apps section. This space is essential in Shopify as it houses all the add-ons and integrations that extend your store's functionality. Once you are in the Apps section, proceed by clicking on Shopify App Store. This will direct you to a marketplace where various third-party apps, including Snapchat ads, are available. In this marketplace, look for the Snapchat Ads app. Installing this app is a pivotal step as it facilitates the delivery of ads from Snapchat directly onto your Shopify platform, ensuring that you can manage your marketing efforts more effectively. Following the installation of the Snapchat Ads app, proceed by clicking on Install. Installing this app onto your Shopify store will synchronize Snapchat's dynamic ad capabilities with your e-commerce products. An efficient ad management system will be in place, ready to be leveraged. Now, click on the Snapchat account within Shopify. This option allows you to ensure that your Snapchat account is correctly linked to the app, paving the way for a smoother advertising experience. Immediately after that, you should see a Connect button. By clicking on this, you'll complete the linkage between your Snapchat and Shopify accounts, thus finalizing the setup process for improved ad delivery and performance tracking. Once the connection is established, navigate to Business Settings. This area allows you to manage the various aspects of your Snapchat ad campaigns, providing you with customization tools and insights necessary for fine-tuning your advertising strategy. Finally, select Create an ad to start leveraging this new integration. This step initiates the design and launch of your ad campaigns, harnessing the full potential of both Snapchat and Shopify. With this connection, you can experience an enhanced ad delivery system, ultimately striving to increase engagement and sales. Through these steps, you can now effectively integrate Snapchat with Shopify, creating a robust environment for managing ad delivery and enhancing business performance. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you find this integration as beneficial to your business needs as it is straightforward to set up.